Greetings to you, dear Mexican brothers and sisters from India indigenous peoples. We are very happy to share with you about India and about indigenous peoples of India. This is world map. India and Mexico are situated in the parallel line.
This is India. We, the indigenous peoples, are spread all over the country. We are called Adivasis, meaning the original inhabitants of the country. Later, we were called tribals, tribes, animists by the British and other colonial rulers, and after the independence of India, we are called scheduled tribes. The schedule list was made on the economic, social, and political backwardness.
Our traditional governance system, indigenous people's knowledge and practice is important. The basic principle of community living with no greed, self-sufficiency, respect for one another, no hoarding, non-violence, need-based economic development that we follow. There is a symbiotic relationship between nature and indigenous peoples. There is no unmindful destruction of nature in our culture.
Self-governance system among indigenous peoples. Padha Raja Simon Urao is a Padma Shri awardee. Padma Shri award is given to an Indian citizen for exceptional and distinguished services and contribution in various spheres of activities. The Government of India awarded Simon Urao with the 4th highest civilian award for his role to lead the community to protect the forest and resources, for resolution of the conflicts in the areas, and for making his area very resourceful without government's assistance. On the other hand, the traditional management of resources, the self-identity, self-determinations and self-governance is not the past but still existing among some indigenous communities in India. Simon Urao is called Padha Raja, the tribal chief or king of 52 villages or federation of villages. There are similar tribal chiefs among various indigenous communities who are still leading the community in socio-cultural spheres of life. It is the proof and symbol of our distinct and self-governance system that existed since time immemorial. There are council members in each village. Meetings are conducted, decisions are taken by the village assembly, and many activities are conducted by themselves. There are annual gatherings at various places every year, where millions of indigenous peoples come with their flags, music, and cultural teams. In the meetings, the chiefs, together with their council members, declare some important decisions, planning, codes and conducts. Indigenous peoples accept and abide by these declarations.
Non-violence, no harms to animals and nature or anyone is a basic principle. You live in harmony, equal to all, live with justice and peace. Padha Raja Simon says, different tribal communities have different names for the same type of self-governance systems like the Kuruk. Around, people call their traditional head Padha Raja. Munda people call Munda Raja. Ho people call Manki Pir. Santals call Parganait. Karya people call Doklo Sohor. And likewise, many other indigenous communities have their system of self-governance and traditional heads. Unfortunately, these self-governance systems are not recognized by the states.
Our socio-cultural life. 12 महीना में 13 पर्व. Out of 12 months, we have 13 festivals. Feasts and festivals are organized in the villages, in communities, and also in central level, in thanksgiving and worship to the Creator, to our ancestral spirits, and ask for blessing on the family, children, village, animals, birds, fields, agriculture, water, forest, and hills.
We have Aghan, Push, Sarhul, Sikari, Jet Jatra, Gaon Jatra, Dhan Buni, Kadoleta, Karam, Katni, Garu Parab, Khalyani, etc.
The major tribes in India, the Mundas, the Bhils, the Santals, the Gonds, the Orans, the Gonds, and the Northeast indigenous peoples. Melodious songs, dances, and music are part of Indian culture. It is said, tribals' walking style is dancing. Their speaking is singing. The indigenous people's life is dancing, singing, and drumming.
Let us see the Gujarati tribal dance. Next is Bhil tribal dance.
चापुरामा कुवा कुँदेली वो पानी भर्ने जाए जवाना चापुरामा कुवा कुँदेली वो पानी भर्ने जाए जवाना चापुरामा कुवा कुँदेली वो पानी भर्ने जाए जवाना चापुरामा कुवा कुँदेली वो पानी भर्ने जाए जवाना.
Now let's enjoy Chuttanagpuri dance. And Northeastern dance.
August, World Indigenous Peoples Day. It is an assertion of indigenous identity and their rights. Millions come and celebrate in the villages, towns, and cities. Thanks to the United Nations for declaring 9th August as the International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples and 13th September as the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples Day. A glimpse of International Indigenous Day celebration in Central India. Our affirming as original inhabitants of India by cultural celebrations, dances, songs, and drums. We confirm that we are free and equal to all peoples, free from all discrimination and domination. We assert our self-identity and self-determination.
Indigenous arts and artifacts. Warli arts. Chhattisgarh crafts. Bamboo crafts. Indigenous fabrics. Chotanagpuri clothes. North-Eastern clothes.
Karam Parab. We would like to present you one important festival, Karam Parab, which is being celebrated in September and October every year in the villages and centers in the central India.
Karam Feast is celebrated in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, and other several states. It is connected with God that saves the tribals. At the same time, it is also connected with agriculture activities, young girls who are going to get married, and very special way with business of 7 brothers. In total, it is the feast of the village for unity, harmony, and prosperity. And now you can enjoy the Karam dance. You can join the community dance in spirit and play your legs and hands and shake your heads. Enjoy the Karam dance.
सरगुजा नाचे हाय रे सरगुजा नाचे अलफी का लथी मांदर बाजे हाय रे सरगुजा नाचे अलफी का लथी मांदर बाजे हाय रे सरगुजा नाचे
कौन गांव के करम डार कहाँ कर मंदरिया, कौन गांव के करम डार कहाँ कर मंदरिया, सिकरी जोराए के संग नाचा थे जहुरिया, हाय रे सरगुजा नाचे, अलफी का लथी मादर बाजे, हाय रे सरगुजा नाचे,
अलफी का लथी मादर बाजे, हाय रे सरगुजा